Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning class.
Hello, friends. Welcome. We are so happy to see you today. If you are cooking, cleaning, resting, or driving right now, thank you for listening to us.
Yes, thank you for being here. In this class, we help you practice your English listening and speaking. We always speak slowly. We always use clear and simple words.
Today, we have a very special and important topic. It is a topic for parents and also for students.
That is right. Today, we are going to learn about school admission. We will learn how to get a child into a new school using English.
This is so important. Moving to a new city or country is hard. Finding a new school for your child can make parents feel very nervous.
It is very normal to feel nervous, but do not worry. After today's lesson, you will know exactly what to say. We will learn simple phrases to make school admission very easy.
Before we start our trip to the school, please do us a small favor.
Yes, please click the like button below this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us make more slow and clear English videos for you.
Thank you so much for your help. Okay, David, let us begin. When I want to put my child in a new school, what is the first thing I do?
The first thing you do is call the school on the phone. You want to ask if they have a place for your child.
Okay, I pick up my phone, I call the school. Who answers the phone?
The receptionist answers the phone. The receptionist works in the front office. They will say, "Hello, City Public School. How can I help you?"
What should I say? I want a place for my son.
You can use a very polite magic phrase. You say, "Hello, I am looking for school admission for my child."
I am looking for school admission for my child. That is a very good phrase.
Yes, looking for means you want to find something. Let us ask our listeners to practice. Listen and repeat. I am looking for school admission for my child.
I am looking for school admission for my child.
Very good. You can also ask, are admissions open? This means, is the school taking new students right now?
Are admissions open? Let us practice this short question. Listen and repeat. Are admissions open? Are admissions open?
Excellent. After you ask this, the receptionist will ask you about your child's age. They will ask, how old is your child?
I will answer, he is 6 years old.
Then they will ask, which grade are you looking for? Grade means the class level. In some countries, they say class or year.
I understand. Grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. I can say, I am looking for grade 1, please.
Perfect. Let us do a small role play. I will be the school receptionist. You are the mother calling on the phone, Alice.
Okay. Ring, ring. Hello.
Hello, City Public School. How can I help you today?
Hello. I am looking for school admission for my child. Are admissions open?
Yes, admissions are open for next year. How old is your child?
He is 6 years old.
Okay, which grade are you looking for?
I am looking for grade 1, please.
We have a few seats left for grade 1. Please come to the school office to get an admission form.
Thank you. What time does the office open?
The office is open from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Great job, Alice. That was a perfect phone call.
It was very easy. Now I know that the school has a seat for my son. What do I do next?
Next, you travel to the school. You walk inside and you go to the front office.
Okay, I am at the front office. I see the receptionist. What do I say?
You smile and say, "Hello, I would like to collect an admission form, please."
I would like to collect an admission form, please. The word collect means to take or to get.
Exactly. Let us practice this important phrase. Listen and repeat. I would like to collect an admission form, please.
I would like to collect an admission form, please.
The receptionist will give you the form. A form is a paper with many questions. You must write the answers.
They want to know my name, my child's name, our address, and my phone number.
Yes, sometimes the form is free, but sometimes you have to pay a little money for the paper. You can ask, how much is the admission form?
How much is the admission form? Let us practice asking the price. Listen and repeat. How much is the admission form? How much is the admission form?
Good. If it is free, they will say it is free. If it costs money, they will say it is $10.
Okay, I have the form. I can write the answers at home. But wait, do I need to bring any other papers?
Yes, this is very, very important. Schools always need documents. Documents are official papers.
How do I ask the receptionist about the documents?
You ask, what documents do I need to submit? To submit means to give them to the school.
What documents do I need to submit?
Let us have our listeners practice this question. It is very useful. Listen and repeat. What documents do I need to submit?
What documents do I need to submit?
The receptionist will give you a list. Usually they need 3 main things.
What is the first thing?
The first thing is the birth certificate. This is the paper that shows when and where your child was born.
The birth certificate. Yes, I have that. What is the second thing?
The second thing is proof of address. This shows where you live. It can be an electricity bill or a house paper.
Proof of address. Okay. And the third thing?
The third thing is passport-size photos, small pictures of your child's face.
Let me review. A birth certificate, proof of address, and photos.
Yes, and if your child went to another school before, they will ask for a transfer certificate or school reports.
I understand. Let us do a role play at the front office.
Good idea. I am sitting at the desk in the school office. You walk in.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I would like to collect an admission form for grade 1, please.
Of course. Here is the form. You can fill it out at home and bring it back tomorrow.
Thank you. How much is the admission form?
It is free of charge.
That is great. What documents do I need to submit with the form?
You need to bring a copy of the birth certificate, proof of address, and 2 recent photos of your child.
Okay, I have all of those at home. I will bring them tomorrow.
Wonderful. Have a nice day.
Wow, I feel like a real student's mother now.
You are doing great. Now, you go home, you write all the answers on the form. The next day, you bring the form and the documents back to the school.
I give the papers to the receptionist. Here are the documents.
Perfect. Here are the documents. Then the receptionist might say, "Thank you. Now you must meet the principal."
Oh, the principal! That makes me nervous. The principal is the boss of the school.
Do not be nervous. The principal just wants to meet you and your child. They want to say hello.
What will the principal ask me?
The principal will invite you into their office. They will say, "Please have a seat."
I will say thank you and sit down.
The principal might ask, "Why do you want your child to join our school?"
How do I answer that in simple English?
You can say nice things about the school. You can say, "I heard this is a very good school," or "It is very close to our house."
I heard this is a very good school. I like that answer. It is polite.
Let us practice that answer. Listen and repeat. I heard this is a very good school.
I heard this is a very good school.
The principal will also talk to your child. They might ask, "What is your name?" and "What is your favorite color?"
My son will say, "My name is Leo and my favorite color is blue."
Very good. The meeting is usually very short and friendly. After the meeting, the principal will say, "Your child is admitted. Welcome to our school."
Yay, we did it! My child is in the school.
Yes, but wait, there is one more very important step.
Oh, I know. It is time to talk about money.
Yes, you have to pay the school fees.
Where do I pay the fees?
You go back to the front office or to the fee counter. You can ask the receptionist, "Where can I pay the school fees?"
Where can I pay the school fees? Let us practice this together. Listen and repeat. Where can I pay the school fees? Where can I pay the school fees?
The receptionist will tell you the total price. They will say, "The fees for the first term are $500.
I can ask, can I pay by credit card?
Yes, or you can say, "I will pay in cash." We learned this in our supermarket lesson too.
Yes, paying is the same everywhere. I will pay by credit card, please.
After you pay the fees, there is one last thing to buy. The child needs special clothes for school.
The school uniform.
Yes, most schools require a uniform. You need to know where to buy it. You can ask, "Where can I buy the school uniform?" Where can I buy the school uniform? Let us practice this question. Listen and repeat. Where can I buy the school uniform? Where can I buy the school uniform? Sometimes the school sells the uniform. Sometimes you must go to a shop in the city. The receptionist will tell you.
I should also ask about books. Where can I buy the books?
Exactly. Now you have the uniform, the books, and the admission is finished.
This is wonderful. David, let us do one big long role play. Let us pretend we are at the school. I want to practice everything.